Hi, in this video I would like to show you a practical example of how to receive a Slack notification concerning a new order using the Flow Builder. First of all, in this video we use the Workflow Builder from Slack. However, this is not part of the video, so if you need more information about this, you can get it in the documentation of Slack. Switch to the Flow Builder over Settings, Shop, Flow Builder, and create a new flow. Let's call this Slack notifications. You can skip the description and the priority and activate it. As trigger, we set checkout order placed. Checkout order placed, because we want to be informed when an order has been placed. Then we select the following action. Add or call URL. Here we choose the method post because we want to send something. And after that, we can enter the URL from the workflow image. We now have several options to send data with the program. This always depends on the software that expects this data. In our case, we switch to the body tab and set the body type to raw. And then we enter the variables here. I've already prepared them. I now need to fill my variables defined in Slack's Workflow Builder with Shopware variables. I've already done that. Here, for example, the URL or the line items. If you still need help with the variables, please have a look at our documentation. And last but not least, I click on Add Action and Save. To see the whole thing in action, we switch to our storefront. I've already got 2 products in my shopping cart and will continue to the checkout. I'm already logged in here as a customer and can now order these items by clicking on Place Order. I'll do that. Down here. After the order has been placed, I can already see in this tab that I automatically received the previous created notification over Slack. In this notification, you can find the mentioned link to the order, the purchased items, and the customer data.